What's going on, everyone? Today we are taking a look at a new robot vacuum. This is the Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone. I previously reviewed the X11, which is definitely a very good robot, but now they made it even better. Upgrades on this one include a focus jet stain dissolving technology, an improved self-cleaning Ozmo Roller, Zero Tangle 4.0, and much more. So if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, stick around and I'll be going over everything that makes this one of the best ones on the market. Before I dive into the specs and features on this robot, I want to point out they are running some deals on this for Amazon Prime Day. So if you're interested, right now would definitely be the best time to get one. Alright, so diving into the features, one of my favorite features on this robot is the Focus Jet Stain Pre-Dissolving Technology. As you can see right here, this has two high pressure spray nozzles and these put out a powerful 46,000 PA stream. And what this does is soften up sticky spills, dried stains, and kitchen grease. In the end, this allows it to clean much better than any other robot out there. When it comes to mopping, this has their Ozmo Roller 3.0, which is an instant self-cleaning roller. So instead of spreading dirt from one area to another, this makes sure you always have a fresh and clean mop. How this works is the robot has a scraper and 32 pressurized nozzles which deliver fresh water to the mop while it's cleaning. And as the mop rolls, it scrubs and pulls all the dirt into the vacuum rather than smearing it around like a traditional mop. This is a high density nylon roller that actually spins at 200 RPM while applying downward pressure. So besides regular cleaning, it can actually scrub and remove more stubborn stains as well. Last but not least, another upgrade is the very large 27 centimeter roller, which is around 50% larger than most other rollers. When it comes to vacuuming, this has a powerful suction power of 22,000 PA, but it also has what they call blast technology. This has a very high 22 liters of airflow, which delivers a 100% hair removal from carpets and a 100% large particle pickup rate. Another great feature this robot has is called True Edge 3.0, which is a dynamic edge cleaning technology. As you can see here, the mop can mechanically move and extend outward. Compared to any other robot on the market, this is going to give you much better cleaning coverage along walls, corners, and other tight spaces as well. If you've owned a vacuum of any kind, you'll know that a common problem is hairs getting stuck on the roller and having to manually remove them yourself. But with this robot, that's not something you have to worry about, as this has their Zero Tangle 4.0. This is an anti-tangle system that automatically removes the hairs for you. I've been using this robot for a few weeks now, and this definitely works very well. As advertised, anytime I check the roller or side brush, it's been completely clean without any hairs on it. Another feature I really like on this is power boost technology. Unlike other robots, this one actually charges while it's emptying and cleaning itself at the dock. And in that small 3-minute window, the robot actually gains up to 13% of battery, whereas other robots will be draining more battery at that time. Thanks to this technology, the robot is able to clean up to 1,000 square feet without any interruptions. Up next, this also has their True Pass adaptive 4-wheel drive climbing system. Under the robot, this has mechanical climbing levers that automatically activate when an obstacle is detected, and these allow you to cross up to 4 centimeters, which includes sills, rugs, thresholds, and more. Definitely a very cool feature that lets this vacuum enter and clean areas where other vacuums would simply get stuck. I don't have a carpet, but this robot can also lift the mop roller 15 millimeters to avoid getting your carpets wet. And it also has a mode in the app that allows you to vacuum carpets first while the roller is still dry, then mop floors after that to prevent cross-contamination. The robot also deploys a roller cover which creates a barrier between the wet roller and carpet to further prevent getting your carpets wet. Last but not least, this also has their AV3D 4.0 Obstacle Avoidance, and this is definitely a very good system. It uses multiple different sensors to scan the room in real time and very quickly responds to anything in its way. Unlike a lot of cheaper vacuums, it does not bump and knock things over, but instead goes around everything very smoothly. Alright, so taking a look at the Omni Cyclone station, this thing has a ton of different features, so you have a lot less maintenance to do. So first off, right here in the center, this has Pure Cyclone 2.0 Auto Empty technology, which delivers consistent suction and multi-stage filtration. And best of all, this is a bagless design. So this is a lot more eco-friendly. and you also don't have the hassle of constantly having to purchase and replace bags. Coming up top, you have your separate clean and dirty water tanks, and as you can see, they are a good large size, so you're not going to have to change those out very often. Popping off this cover here, this is where you have your dual cleaning solution tanks. A lot of robot vacuums only have one of them or sometimes even none, but this one you get two, so depending on what the robot is cleaning, it can go ahead and choose from them. And as you can see here, both the regular and heavy duty cleaning solution are included with the robot. Besides all of that, this also has automatic mop cleaning with pressurized hot water, auto hot air drying for the mop, and it automatically dispenses cleaning solution to the robot as well. In the end, this all works together and prevents odors and bacteria by keeping the robot clean and dry. Definitely a very good station that makes owning this robot a very hands-free and maintenance-free experience. Last but not least, while this does work with Google or Alexa, this vacuum also has its own AI cleaning assistant called Agent Yiko. This can assist you with adjusting settings and creating customized cleaning routines, which in the end makes using this robot a lot easier. Overall, everyone can benefit from having a robot vacuum like this one, turning the chore of manually sweeping and mopping and making it an automated process really makes a huge difference and makes it so much easier to keep a clean house. So no matter if you're 20 or 80, I would highly recommend getting a robot vacuum like this one. Overall, this is definitely one of the best robot vacuums on the market. It feels well made, it's packed with a ton of features, and most importantly, it does a great job at cleaning. So all in all, if you happen to be shopping for a robot vacuum, I would highly recommend this one here, which again is the Ecovacs X12 OmniCyclone. And once again, if you are interested in this robot vacuum right now with the Prime Day sales going on, this is definitely going to be the best time to get one. If you would like to purchase or get more information, I'll also have the link in the description as well. All right, well, that about wraps up this video. As usual, if you have any questions at all, feel free to drop me a comment and let me know. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and I'll see you all next time.